Class 10th, Subject Science and Technology, Part 2, Chapter number 3, Life Processes in Living Organisms, Part 2. Can you recall? 1. Which are the important life processes in living organisms? Every living organism, big or small, carries out certain important life processes to survive and grow. Let's explore them one by one. First, nutrition. Every organism needs food to get energy. Humans eat plants and animals, while plants make their own food through sunlight in a process called photosynthesis. Second, respiration. Food alone is not enough. Cells break it down with oxygen to release energy. This energy powers everything we do. Third, transportation. Once nutrients and oxygen enter the body, they need to reach every cell. In animals, blood carries these essentials. In plants, xylem and phloem do the job. Fourth, excretion. Life creates waste and the body needs to remove it. Humans excrete urine, sweat, and carbon dioxide. Plants release oxygen and other substances. Fifth, growth. Life is all about growing. Cells multiply, organisms become bigger, and structures develop. Sixth, reproduction. To keep the species alive, organisms produce new individuals. Humans reproduce sexually, while plants can reproduce both sexually and asexually. Seventh, sensitivity. Organisms sense changes in their environment and respond. Humans feel heat, cold, or pain. Plants bend towards sunlight. Finally, movement. Motion is essential. Animals move to find food and shelter, and plants adjust their growth toward light or water. These life processes nutrition, respiration, transportation, excretion, growth, reproduction, sensitivity, and movement are what make life possible. 2. Which life processes are essential for production of energy required by body? Every living organism needs energy to survive, grow, and perform daily activities. But how is this energy produced? First, nutrition. The food we eat provides the raw materials like glucose, fats, and proteins. These are the fuels for our body. Second, respiration. Our cells take this fuel and break it down in a process called respiration. With the help of oxygen, nutrients are converted into energy in the form of ATP, the energy currency of the body. In simple words, nutrition gives the fuel and respiration turns it into energy. Without these two processes, the body cannot work, move, or grow. So, nutrition and respiration are the life processes that power our body. 3. Which are main types of cell division? What are the differences? Cells are the building blocks of life and they divide to help the body grow, repair, and reproduce. There are two main types of cell division. First, mitosis. In mitosis, a cell divides once to form two identical daughter cells with the same number of chromosomes as the parent. This helps in growth and repair. For example, skin and blood cells are formed this way. Second, meiosis. In meiosis, a cell divides twice to produce four daughter cells, each with half the number of chromosomes. These are the gametes, sperm and eggs, needed for sexual reproduction. In short, mitosis gives identical cells for growth and repair, while meiosis gives genetically different cells for reproduction. Life continues because of these amazing processes. 4. What is the role of chromosomes in cell division? Chromosomes are thread like structures in every cell that carry our genetic information, the instructions that make us who we are. During cell division, chromosomes make sure this information is copied and passed on correctly. In mitosis, chromosomes divide equally so the two new cells are identical. In meiosis, chromosomes are halved and shuffled, creating genetic variation in sperm and egg cells. In simple words, chromosomes are the blueprint of life, guiding every new cell to function properly. We have studied various life processes in previous classes. All those life processes, i.e., want to watch the full animated chapter with notes and test series? Then download the Hope Publications app, your smart companion for Class 10 Maharashtra Board. Learn easily, understand deeply, and score higher. Remember, smart learning, bright future. Download link is given in the description below. Start your journey of smart learning today.
इंट्रोड्यूसिंग होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड क्लास 10th के लिए एक कंप्लीट डिजिटल लर्निंग सोल्यूशन। यहाँ मिलते हैं साइंस, हिस्ट्री और ज्योग्राफी एक्सप्लेनेशन वीडियोस, चैप्टर नोट्स, टेस्ट सीरीज और माइंड मैप, सब कुछ एक ही ऐप में।
बच्चों के कॉन्सेप्ट्स अब बहुत आसानी से क्लियर हो रहे हैं और हर टॉपिक अच्छे से समझ में आने लगा है। अब स्टूडेंट सिर्फ सुनते ही नहीं, समझते भी है, क्योंकि होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप बनाता है पढ़ाई को इंटरैक्टिव। अब मुझे अपनी बेटी की पढ़ाई की कोई चिंता नहीं। होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप के साथ वो खुद जिम्मेदारी से सीख रही है।
होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप ने मेरे बच्चे की पढ़ाई को आसान और मजेदार बना दिया है। अब मुझे अपनी बेटी की पढ़ाई की कोई चिंता नहीं। होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप के साथ वो खुद जिम्मेदारी से सीख रही है।
अब पढ़ाई बोरिंग नहीं, होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप है ना। होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप से मेरी प्रिपरेशन हो रही है टॉप क्लास।
अब नोट्स ढूंढने की टेंशन खत्म, सब कुछ इस ऐप में रेडी है। साइंस, हिस्ट्री, ज्योग्राफी सब एक जगह, एक ऐप पर।
होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप ने हमारी स्कूल की पढ़ाई का लेवल ही बढ़ा दिया है। अब हर क्लास डिजिटल बन रही है।
हर सब्जेक्ट, हर कॉन्सेप्ट अब आपकी उंगलियों पर। होप पब्लिकेशंस ऐप डाउनलोड करें आज ही।